County in north central Texas, southeastern Cook County in north central Texas. At 5:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over High Isle, or near Corinth, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. This severe thunderstorm will be near, come around 5:20 p.m. Death at around 5:30 p.m. Sager, Ray Roberts Park, Johnson Branch and Ray Roberts Park, Kyle Iowa, around 5:35 p.m. Pilot Point around 5:40 p.m. Lake Kyle around 5:50 p.m. Callisburg around 6 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Ponder and Valley View. This includes the following interstates. Interstate 35 between mile markers 468 and 500. Interstate 35 west between mile markers 78 and 85. Interstate 35 east between mile markers 462 and 466. For your protection, get a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for north central Texas. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Bosque County in central Texas, northeastern Hamilton County in central Texas, until 6 p.m. At 5:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hyco, or 14 miles northeast of Hamilton, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. This severe thunderstorm will be near Hyco around 5:15 p.m. Iredell around 5:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Walnut Springs and Morgan. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for north central Texas.